In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Veo3 and Gemini to create an astonishing video where Moses describes his experience inside the seawall of the Red Sea using a GoPro. It sounds truly insane, right? Well, let's dive into it step by step so you can seamlessly bring this incredible vision to life. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. Now, typing Google Gemini into the search bar is our next move. This will lead you to the Google Gemini website, which is the main platform we're going to use for this project. Once the search results pop up, one of the very first results should be the official Google Gemini website. Go ahead and click on it to navigate over. This platform will serve as our creative playground, allowing us to craft personalized and innovative video content seamlessly. Now, with the Gemini app open, it's time to get creative with your prompt. Let's say you're imagining Moses, vividly describing his experience inside the seawall of the Red Sea as if captured on a GoPro. This is your moment to articulate that vision. The more detailed and clear your prompt, the more richly the AI can render the scenes you're dreaming of. Moving forward, we need to access the tools within the Gemini platform. In the app, you'll see a menu feature or tab named Tools. Click on this option because this is where the magic happens. Under Tools, you're going to find an exciting feature labeled Create Videos with VEO. Clicking on this will set the stage for developing those incredible visual sequences you're envisioning, using the descriptions and scenes you crafted in the prompt. Finally, after everything is set and you're satisfied with the descriptions and prompts, the last thing to do is click on Submit. This action will send your creative instructions off for the system to process and eventually render into a video. And there you have it. You've just created an imaginative and thrilling video showing Moses' epic journey with cutting-edge tech like Google Veo3 and Gemini. This step-by-step walkthrough not only gets you acquainted with the Gemini app and its features, but also showcases how to blend historical narratives with advanced technology creatively. With each click, you're closer to bridging the gap between imagination and reality using the power of AI-driven video creation tools. So why not give it a try and unleash your creativity? Thank you for joining me in today's guide. Don't forget to share your creations and subscribe for more cool tech tutorials. Keep experimenting and happy creating.